How to use promo code on Home Depot app. Now, the promo code will be used when you are going to purchase something. So, of course, in order to use the promo code, you're gonna have to use it at the end when you are going to choose your payment method. So, go ahead to the item you want to purchase. You could choose multiple at once, but once you do so, choose the details for your item, of course, but that doesn't really matter. Just go ahead and press on checkout, and once you're there, you should be able to put in your details and whatnot. Scroll down a bit until you find the your order section and the total. Right below that, you should be able to see the have a promo code question, and just press on this little arrow thing that's pointing down. That's a button, and once you open that, it's gonna open this little section over here where you can put in your promo code. So if you have one and it's active, just go ahead and put it over here and press on apply promo. That way you'll be able to see if it is active and usable and how much it will discount you for. So once you press on apply promo, it's gonna apply automatically, and then you can just place your order. You can also have to check this as well. If it's basically a captcha to verify yourself on not being a robot, then just place order. But that's pretty much how you use a promo code in the Home Depot app. You can also do this in the web. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.